Okay guys, we got a lot of new inventory. Let's go ahead and do it. Another lot walk. Welcome back guys, Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around showing all the new cars that we got in last week. I think we put on about 10 to maplemotors.com, so go to that website, check them out, look at the 100 detailed pictures. We do that week by week. We do have financing and shipping available. Look below in the description, you can find out more about us. There's definitely a lot of useful information below, so don't forget about that. Today we're going to be walking around the lot. I'm going to tell you the year, I'm going to tell you the price, and each and every car has an individual test drive that you can watch going over the flaws. You see the good, we show the bad. We focus on the bad. Because when we get these cars in, all we do is clean them up and put them out here for sale. We try to buy them ready to go where you can drive them down the road. And you'll see that in every video that we put out. So don't forget, hit subscribe, share this, and hit like, and that'll keep me making these for you every day. Starting up here in the corner, what about a 68 Chevy Caprice at $25,900? And of course, hold don't mean sold, but we do have a 69 Pontiac Gto sitting up here that is on hold for $27,900. Hold just gives somebody a little bit of time to come up with the rest of the money. If they don't, it comes back out on the market. Right next to that, a 1970 Pontiac Gto. This one's $30,900. You see the clip on the front of this one's a little bit faded. The rest of the car is nice and shiny. Right next to that, a 65 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $19,900. How about a 1974 Plymouth Duster? This one's going to be $21,900. New to the lot, 1958 Studebaker pickup truck. This thing's got a lot of custom on it. Interior, bed, paint, wheels. $24,900 is the price tag. Of course, you can see the interior's been all redone. Nice door panels, nice seats. It's got a lot of upgrades on the motor as well, so definitely check out that description video of this one. I think you'll enjoy it. Instead of opening all the hoods throughout this video, I'm just going to show you and tell you about each car, a little brief description, and then of course you could go and click on the video of the test drive and you'll know everything about it. Okay, we're gonna go on over here to the side of the lot. The old Falcon sold over the weekend. It was a 63 model, and we sold it for $16,900. Right next to that, that is available, a 1961 four-door Bel Air. We got it priced $19,900. What about a 65 Plymouth Valiant? Priced at $13,900. Old 62 Chevy Impala, $27,900. What about a 56 gasser? This one's got a 409 4-speed, 24.9 in the patina paint. Old Plymouth sitting right next to that. This was a scamp from 1974, priced at $14,900. Got a few trucks over here. 65 C10 and patina. They even put the clear coat over it. Preserve it. Preserve that look at $15,900. Diamond plate bed. What about these two pickup trucks here? This one's got a nice bed in it. Pinstriping all the way around. Holly Sniper custom interior, 65 model C10, 27.9. And in blue, 66 model C10, 22.9. Okay guys, I got plenty more cars to show you, but we're gonna jump on over to the showroom now. And we'll go see Pops' Hot Wheels room. And we'll come back out here and show you the rest of the cars. And of course, Pops' collection, he's got a little bit of his collection here next door to Maple Motors that you could come check out, and it is all priced. You can go to Jim Vite's Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube, and you can see it all up close. As you see, everything has a price tag on it. It's all labeled into sections. You got $100 cars and over here inside the glass. And of course, he has old school Hot Wheels. So you like the red line stuff, I'm sure there's some in here. You like treasure hunts, there's definitely some in here in these cases. So I do recommend, if you're into collector cars, come to Maple Motors, go next door, ask for Pops. Thanks guys. Let's get back out there. Well, I was looking around the showroom and literally the only one I can show you this week is this 67 Camaro. It is a supercharged 350, completely customized, chromed out up under the hood, and she is fast. That test drive video is out. Look, and the playlists on the channel here, cars currently available, or type in 1967 Camaro Maple Motors. You'll end up seeing this one, click on it, watch the test drive if you're interested. Everything else in here is coming up next week, so I can't show you yet. Of course, out here on the side of the lot, you got a 1991 Firebird, and this one's priced at $10,900 with the T-tops. Next to that, a 1998 Trans Am. It's got the pace car stickers all over it, and we have it priced $12,900 with the T-tops. And sitting here is a 1999 Camaro. This car has only got 30,000 miles on it, and we have it priced $19,900. Also with the T-tops. Sitting here right beside the lot, we got a 1964 Chevy Bel Air priced at $24,900. This one's on air ride, high dollar air ride system, set of Riddlers aftermarket wheels, and a custom paint job. The interior has also been redone, and it is all white. That video was pretty interesting to watch, so jump on over there and check it out. I think you'll like it. All right, coming on out to the front of the lot here. We're gonna go up to the point and come back across the front of the office. Starting with the old Trans Am sitting here. This is a 1999 Pontiac Trans Am. We got it priced $14,900. Nice T-tops, aftermarket wheels. We don't get too many of these. How about a 46 Pontiac Silver Streak? I personally got to a little bit of drive time on this one. This one runs and drives awesome. Priced at $17,900. It's even got the Oogle horn on it. What about a 1966 Ford Mustang inline 6-cylinder, $19,900 with the red interior? Right next to that, 1965 Fastback, we got it priced at $32,900. And then another Fastback sitting here. This was a 66 model. This one, I think it was the 3-speed. Yeah. Priced at $39,900.
We'll get you covered. We'll have enough to where you can.
And then a 1965 Mustang Convertible priced at $36,900. Finally picked some of them Fords up for you. Everybody's been asking about. Okay. I got a whole nother line of cars to show you over here. We'll walk over and get started. We'll probably start on the Camaro and work our way up. That way I can go back around the lot and just review everything, make sure I didn't miss any. Of course, starting here, this thing runs and drives awesome. You're gonna wanna check that test drive video out. It hits gears, it runs great. 1970 Chevy Camaro, priced at $26,900. Picked up a few Camaros as well. And we got one sitting here at $21,900. A little dull on the paint job. Does need some cosmetic stuff, but it's also quite a bit cheaper. And the automatic version with the white interior. Runs and drives good. Check that video out. Another Mustang. This one here is a 1967 model. We got it priced $15,900. What about a 68 convertible? Priced at $23,900. Another new one to the website, a 1969 Pontiac Firebird, $24,900. Next to that, we ended up selling this over the weekend. It was a 78 Corvette with the T-tops. We just got to get it moved to the back. We've been doing pretty good about getting stuff shipped out here lately, so I don't have a big pile of cars that are sold in the back anymore. We try to get them out as fast as we can. We ended up buying about 20-something cars over this weekend, so there's plenty of inventory coming your way. Again, we'll put out about 10 cars a week. We got this 73 Corvette convertible sitting up here for $24,900. So tons of inventory coming your way. But for now, I'm gonna walk around the entire car lot, make sure I didn't miss anything. Guys, be sure to go to maplemotors.com and look at the description and bio about us. Check out our financing. There's 3 different companies. You can check out our shipping. We can get these cars all over the country. And these videos, they try to help with people that don't live here in Tennessee. I know a lot of people, they like watching the test drives, especially if they're interested in buying something like this. They want to see what's going on. So I'm here to pick out the chips, the rust, the dents, the scratches. How does it turn? How does it react when I floor it? What happens when I stomp on the brakes? I'm going to go over all of that with each individual car here. And again, all I ask from y'all is to share the video and hit subscribe, because that's what keeps me doing this. I love this truck. This thing has got the looks. I did enjoy that test drive too. I've already made it. I just got to put it out for y'all today. This one is the one that I never got to last week, and it will be done today, but it'll probably come out tomorrow. So if you're looking for that test drive video, it'll pop out on Tuesday. I've already made test drives on all of these. And again, just a reminder, there's a playlist that says cars currently available. Once they sell, I take them off that playlist. And of course, this is the official Maple Motors channel. There's other people that do come up here and kind of walk around. Fusion Kid is my bass player. A lot of people are like, oh, he's stealing your video. No, he's not. Fusion Kid is awesome. I was hanging out with him jamming this weekend, so he is my bass player. And that's not the only thing he can do. He can play everything. He plays multiple instruments. Very talented guy, especially with his video making. And again, guys, we are all family. I don't think I told you that in this particular video. That's one of my uncles there. He's decoding the motors. He buys a lot of the cars. Guys, you can also join us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I put a lot of videos on Facebook now. Don't forget about the 30,000 mile Camaro over here. I don't see too many with that low of miles. Okay. We've walked a lot. We've checked it twice. It's time for me to get back to work. I'm gonna go in there and launch some videos for you. And then I'm gonna get back to 2 different cars that I need to test drive today. Again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit like. Follow us at maplemotors.com week by week. We update on Mondays at 11. These walk around videos will come out sometimes around 12 or 1. I still have to make them. I make them on Monday. I don't make them on Friday, because I don't know what's going to be here on Monday. Just like that Corvette sold over the weekend. I do appreciate you watching, guys. I'll see you later.